Wow, that's great. Strong anti-interference 250米 at wireless. Video integrated wireless remote control for traction locomotives. Oil-fired locomotive or electric motorcycles and scooters. Quadruple screen of the screen. Flexible swinging of antenna. Signal distances of 100米、250米、500米 etc. Control while watching video footage. Brake wheels gear rotary switch. Lighting switch. Power on and off at the device end. Large brake braking pressure, maintaining releasing. Receiver end. The shell can be installed outdoors. Large capacity battery. Welcome to contact us. WhatsApp number 86138514033993